Here I have OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I'm going to show you how to change picture resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then swipe this arrow here, and here you can enable 48 megapixels. So basically, on this device you have only two resolutions, you have normal resolution, just like in normal photo mode, and by enabling 48 megapixels you can enable super high 48 megapixels resolution. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.